Welcome back to Eatsy, where if we can make butterfly fish on tofu squares, then so can you. The name butterfly fish refers to the way the fillets are carefully cut and arranged to resemble butterfly wings. The history of butterfly fish tofu squares is deeply rooted in the rich culinary traditions of China, particularly within the Jiangsu and Zhejiang provinces, where fresh ingredients and meticulous presentation are highly valued. It's a visually stunning and delectable dish that combines the delicate flavors of fish with the subtle creaminess of tofu. It looks fancy from the small details, and if you serve it to your guests, it's sure to impress. We're going to start off with 350 grams of traditional tofu. Cut your block in half, and then cut those halves into quarters. You're going to be making 8 smaller squares of tofu. Arrange them on a plate in a row or in whatever pattern you'd like. The next step is to cut the fish. In this recipe, we use cod that we got from Costco, but you could use whatever kind of white fish that you wanted. The trick to making the butterfly shape of the butterfly fish is to cut the fish on a diagonal, not quite all the way to the bottom, and then make a second cut that does go all the way to the bottom through the fish. This makes a cut of fish with 2 wings on the side, sort of like a butterfly. You'll need 8 pieces of fish to match your 8 pieces of tofu, and for that we use 2 fillets of cod. So again, cutting on the diagonal, make your first cut almost all the way through the fish, and your second cut all the way through the fish. When they're all cut, put your 8 pieces of fish in a bowl. Then you're going to add about a teaspoon of finely shredded ginger, as well as some loosely sliced green onion. Then about half a teaspoon of white pepper, and a little pinch of salt, and then about half a teaspoon of cornstarch, and finally about a teaspoon of oil. Gently stir everything together and let it sit for about 10 minutes. After those 10 minutes, your next step is to hit the like and subscribe buttons, and then you can begin placing your fish on top of your tofu. You want to lay them cut side up, just like as if they were a little book sitting on a table. The next step is to make yourself a mixture of half minced ginger and half minced garlic. This is going to be going straight onto the fish, so make sure that it's very fine. You probably want to put about half a teaspoon or 3/4 of a teaspoon on each piece of fish. Then, over at the stove, bring the water in your steamer up to a boil. Put your plate of tofu and fish inside the steamer and then cover it with a lid and let it steam for 8 to 10 minutes. While your tofu is cooking, in another small pan over medium to high heat, you'll add a little bit of oil. To the oil, you'll add a green onion that's been cut into long strips, as well as a few thinly sliced strips of ginger. Let the ginger and onion cook together in the oil for a little bit, and then you're going to be adding 3 tablespoons of seasoned soy sauce. You could probably find a bottle just like this one in your local Asian markets, or maybe even Walmart if you're lucky. After you add your seasoned soy sauce, you're also going to be adding 3 tablespoons of water. And finally, half a teaspoon of white sugar. Heat all of that together for a little while longer, after which you'll be straining the ginger and onion out of the sauce that you've just made. When you cut a green onion into long strips, it naturally wants to curl into a little circle. When your tofu is done, you can remove the lid, and then you can start garnishing each piece of tofu and fish with a little curlicue of green onion, as well as an optional slice of red chili pepper. Because even if you have spice-adverse people in your family like me, it's easy to pick off 1 red chili pepper. Next, Uncle Fred heated up a little bit of oil in a pan, and he's going to add a little blurb of hot oil to each piece of tofu. The hot oil will help activate the flavors of the onion and pepper into the garlic and ginger. And lastly, you'll want to add your onion-infused soy sauce that you had made earlier. If you're feeling particularly fancy, you can add a row of sliced cucumber around the edge of the plate. The cucumber is also quite delicious dipped into the soy sauce. And there you have it, butterfly fish tofu squares. Another very quick, very healthy, and quite fancy looking dish that you can prepare for your guests. If you tried this recipe out for yourselves, please let us know how it turned out for you in the comments. We'd love so much to hear from you. It would also mean a lot to us if you could give us a like button click. And we release a new video every week, so make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Also, let us know down in the comments if there's any dishes you'd like us to put together for you, either Eastern or Western. And as always, thank you very much for watching.